Hi, good afternoon. This is Jason with Majestec Premium Security Screens here at our customer's home today, where on the back we've installed a few of our invisible security screens. We'll take a look here on our windows. They look just like regular insect screens. But let's take a closer look. You can feel and touch that and see that this is our 316 marine grade stainless steel woven security mesh, which cannot be cut with a knife or any sort of hand tools. It cannot be broken free from its frame, as we have a patented fastening and tensioning system that fastens our mesh within the frame, keeping it from ripping out, also tensioning the mesh so it's nice and tight. Over here we've got a single sliding door which goes over the portion of their slider that opens up. On all of our doors we offer a 3-point locking system, so the door has hook locks that lock top, center, and bottom. When it's closed and locked, you're locked completely down the entire handle side. Also on the back side of our door we have an interlock system which attaches the back of our door to their stationary glass door, preventing someone from trying to pry the back end of this door open when it's closed. They cup and lock one another here, connecting it to the glass door. We've got white here on their white vinyl. We also have 9 frame color options to choose from on our product. We also have a full line of product range to secure your entire home. We have single sliders and fixed windows, as we just saw. We also have double sliding door units which cover the inactive glass portion of the slider as well. And we have single hinged and French doors as well. Thanks for checking us out today. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call toll free at 855 Majestec, or check us out on the web at majestecsocal.com. Thanks again, and I'm sure we'll talk to you real soon.